Looking to place strategic buy or sell orders at a certain price which is valid beyond a single day. Introducing MyGTD. My Good Till Date Orders, now available for F&O segment. Let's take you through on how you can use the MyGTD feature on the Sharekhan website. Log into your Sharekhan account. Select Trade Now in the top menu bar. Enter the quantity and price and then select MyGTD as validity. Select the desired date from the calendar to keep the order active. You can view your order status as pending from the order report. You can modify or cancel the pending order if required. Using the option chain feature, you can place these orders directly for option contracts. Try out this cool new feature today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.